Looking to create stunning videos quickly and effortlessly? Discover how VidAU's templates make it easy to create professional content for any industry. First, go to the VidAU website. Then, click the profile icon at the top right to log in or sign up. Now, head to the Creative Center or Video Creation Templates section to find our wide range of templates. The tabs at the top will help you find the right template. You can hover over any template to preview it and click the sound icon to turn the audio on or off. Once you've chosen your favorite, click Use this template below to start editing. Next, edit your video by customizing the script, avatars, voice, subtitles, images, videos, and backgrounds to make it your own. Remember to modify or delete unwanted details. Finally, when you're satisfied with your video, click Render at the top right to export it. This will use several credits from your account. After a few minutes, your video will be ready for download in the My Projects section. Unlock the potential of VidAU's templates and start creating videos that captivate and inspire your audience today.